In this video, I will tell you how to add comments in CSS. So welcome to our CSS masterclass series. Let's check into it. So open your VS Code over here, open your CSS file, and all you need to do is to just press Ctrl plus slash, and here you will be able to comment down anything. Like whatever you will be typing over here, you will be able to comment it out, and after that you will be able to write your CSS property over here, like let's say h1, and inside that h1, let's say if you want to add like color as red, or like white as 220 VW. So this is basically for VS Code. If you're using other IDE, then all you need to just type slash then start, and you just type over here anything, and then once again start slash, like that. But in VS Code, it's just like control plus slash, and you will be able to comment out any sorts of letters. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.